Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 316th episode and the 4th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2019. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make a Southern candy carrot souffle. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of flavor, simple and easy to make. And we're going to top it with some marshmallows. It's sure to make your mouth water. It's kind of like a sweet potato souffle, but we're going to use carrots instead. This will feed a crowd and everybody's going to enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your carrots, your marshmallows, and your baking pan sugar, because we're about to bake some candy carrot souffle magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my pot I have 2 cups of water with a half a teaspoon of salt, and I let it come to a boil. And we're going to add in 1 pound of frozen carrots. And all we do is bring this back to a boil. Alright my friends, the carrots has came back to a boil. So all we do now is cover it. And we're going to let the carrots cook on high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until they fork tender. Alright my friends, I'm through cooking the carrots and I drained them and I let them cool slightly. And off camera, I mashed them using my potato masher. So now I'm going to mix them a little bit until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in half a stick, which is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to mix until it's well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of sun-rising flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of pure orange extract. Mix all those ingredients in until they're well combined. Alright my friends, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk, my favorite ingredient, and 2 beaten eggs that let come to room temperature. And mix all this in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, our carrot mixture is almost done. So for our last ingredient, we're going to stir in 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then we're going to mix the flour in until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our carrot souffle mixture is done. Look how smooth and creamy that looks. And look at all those carrots. Alright, that was great. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in the square baking dish that I greased with cooking spray. Alright my friends, I got my carrot mixture into the pan. So now I have some mini marshmallows that we're just going to put on top. If you want, you could add some pecans or some crushed corn flakes or cherrios on top for a little crunch. Alright my friends, now ready to put our carrot souffle in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern candy carrot souffle. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. See how the marshmallow is nice and golden brown? Looks scrumptious. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Yeah, nice and hot. Ooh, yeah, look at those marshmallows. Look at that. Careful, someone burn my mouth. It's flavorful. Carrots are tender. This is amazing. Please give the recipe a try. A great side dish for your holiday dinner. Carrot soufflé delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Much love, let's eat, and happy Thanksgiving.